What is up, you guys? So today, a little update on George's truck. If I didn't update you guys before, this is an update now. His truck, the one we're taking apart to OBS, it was going to be all-wheel drive build. The frame on that truck is rusted. It's bad. It's no good.
It's cracked.
So basically, the all-wheel drive thing is out the window. Now we're going two-wheel drive. It was going to be dope being the all-wheel drive and all, but we kind of made time-wise assumptions, and for us to find an all-wheel drive drivetrain and the time frame he wants to get it up and running, we're not going to have it. So right now, we're headed our way to go get another frame. Shout out to at 6.0 Ortiz. No, it's a 6 Point Ortiz with a 0 instead of an O. I'll put it right here. He's the one that hooked us up with a frame. Real cheap. Already has a C-notch. I believe it's lowered. It's a two-wheel drive. It's basically what we need. Make our LS swap easier, because he is going to go LS swap on his as well. And for me, great news for me today, and update for you guys. The lining is done. The lining will be coming home today. I know it's been a long time since it left the channel, but today it's coming back home. It's already painted, everything. I have some pieces that I lost along the way taking it over there, but I already talked to the guy. He said it's cool. Bring them over once you can, and I'll repaint those, and then you can slap them on, which is no big deal. But if you guys see some parts that are like, you know, you guys already know why. But yeah, we got the boy George and myself. We're gonna be pretty much all day together right now. We're gonna go get the frame, get the lighting, and then shoot some videos. So I'll pick it up once we get to the frame. And yeah. Alright guys, so I just want to give the guys that sold us the diff a little bit of privacy, so I didn't record them or getting it. We did get a crowd hood from them for George's truck, and I got the smaller oil pan, the setup from them too. They had one laying around, so it was a come up for me today too. I'll show you guys the diff real quick. We're just parked right here outside their house. This basically is it's a whole, my bad, diff, a whole fucking whole frame, and it's complete up front. It's just missing some bolts, but it's all there. Got a 5-lug diff. This one has a gas tank, which George's didn't have a gas tank, so that's a come up as well, and a muffler. But yeah, you guys, this is the setup right now. It's already got a C-notch, welded C-notch, so he doesn't gonna spend money there. It also has got the springs, lowering springs, and it's already painted. It just needs a wash. Basically, it's a clean, no rust. It was, I think, of a 95 and up, because it's got the ABS system. But we're gonna remove all that shit. But yeah, you guys, just a little update. We already bought it. What do you think, George? Good deal?
Good deal.
You happy? Is moving along now?
Yeah.
After that little speed bump? Yeah, he's a little camera shy, so he was like me, so we gotta ease him into it, you know? But it's off. We'll probably just swap out a lot of the things that need replacing most of the time, like these things, cap mounts and all that stuff. But right now we're gonna go. I'll probably have Eric record while we take it off with the forklift, and yeah, give you guys some content to watch. Alright guys, you guys ready to see the lightning? Alright guys, the lightning's ready. The guy's not here for me to take it home, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It's bad. Finally. Man, it doesn't make justice if you put it in the freaking shade.
One eternity later.
Guys, we have made it back. I did crack my oil pan, that's why I didn't bring. Yeah, swallow problems. I really need to lift it from the front for sure. Woo! You guys can see it cracked right there. My OBS, we're gonna bring my OBS and George's truck out here to show some videos. On the way back here, maybe the exit down from my house, the oil pan cracked. This is the second time in this weekend. It cracked Friday, we fixed it Saturday, and it cracked today, that's Sunday. So yeah, basically it took a crap. But this is what we got today. This 2-inch cow hood. The boy hooked it up real cheap. It just got one dent right there, but it's gonna be fixed.